Keep up the volume of television, please. Sorry, I could not hear you. Can you speak louder? Pardon? So, are you struggling to hear the television? Always asking others to repeat themselves? Can't hear feeble music? Let me tell you, you're not alone.
Welcome back to our channel, The Physics Duo, specifically for the inquisitive minds and conscious brains. Without any further delay, let's check how good your hearing ability is and then after filling you up with some science behind it. You will be told about what to do and what not.
Some frequency sounds will be played now. You just have to check up to what frequency you can hear. Please do adjust your volume levels because hearing these sounds at higher level can harm your ears. How high could you hear? If you can hear all the frequencies, it means you have perfect ears. Now, within the internal structure of your ear, you have got a spiral-shaped part called the cochlea, and it's filled with fluids and tiny hairs called cilia. The most sensitive cilia are the ones closest to the outside of your ear canal, which means only a tiny vibration from very high frequencies is needed to set them in motion. These are also the most easily destroyed.
So when we do things to damage our hearing, like go to rock concerts without earplugs, listen to your headphones or stereos too loudly, fire a gun without protective gear, and have your friend scream in your ear, these sensitive cilia get destroyed. Once they are destroyed, they pretty much never grow back. And unfortunately, as we grow older, hearing ability fails.
For those whose hearing sensory capability is a bit low, take the following vitamins and minerals: folic acid, magnesium, zinc, B vitamins. Smokers really will have to quit smoking. Research indicates that this habit can double the risk of hearing loss. There's science behind this, but for now, keep in mind that nicotine and carbon monoxide interrupt the blood flow and the oxygen, which are crucial for your healthy ear cells. Get tested. Medical aid is extremely necessary for initial stage so that this issue does not bother later on in life. Earwax. Small amount of earwax is important, but excess of its buildup can cause mild hair loss and discomfort.
Few things which one must take care of are very common. Do not hear too loud music, headphone usage should be reduced.
That's all for today. Hope we were up to the expected mark. Do like the video, comment your views, questions and suggestions. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel for more weekly interesting videos.